What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another cut and color video. So this time we're headed back to the salon to see how my stylist Sam put together this absolutely gorgeous like multi-shade pink color, which I am just love it so much right now. Really super stoked on it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Now the first step to any successful cut and color is to pet the shop dog, and then it's into the chair to get things started. Now this color that we've got going on right here is actually an 8-week fade out of the Crimson Spell color that I've had in my hair for the past few months. And since that color naturally fades into all these different shades of red and pink and with platinum ends and stuff, it's like the perfect place to be to transition into pink. Sam is starting out this cut by just taking a number 2 clipper around the back and sides. And next she's going to foil out some fresh highlights using this Joico color remover. So this will not only lift the hair like a normal bleach would, but it also does a really good job at removing any existing color. Although as you can see, this Crimson Spell shade is really pigmented, so it's pretty stubborn to come out. But after a while longer of processing, the color has lifted plenty in order to apply a new tone to the hair, so we're over to the sink to rinse that out. And to give the hair a good washout using the Amika Cure shampoo. Now it's back over to the chair for a quick rough dry before we start applying the new color. Now Sam specifically only used shampoo at the rinse out, she didn't use any conditioner, and that is because this shade of pink that she's come up with is actually a custom blend that she put together using the Magenta Magic shade from Guy Tang, diluted with the Cure conditioner from Amika, and she mixed in some other shades of pinks and purple tones as well to give the color that multi-shade effect as well as an overall cool tone. After painting on the new color, Sam just massages that into my hair to make sure that everything is really saturated. And then after another process, it's back over to the sink to rinse that out. And since the color was diluted with that conditioner, it was basically like doing a color and conditioning treatment at the same time, so at this point, my hair is feeling silky smooth. Now it's back over to the chair for a little bit of a trim, and since I am really liking my hair to be longer at this point, and I've been basically growing it out for a while, Sam is just going in with some scissors over comb, using her texturizing shears just to blend in the sides and take a little bit off the ends and remove some of that weight. After that, it's in with the blow dryer and a round brush to create the final style, and then Sam just finishes the whole thing off with just a touch of this Sculpt and Define polish from Brazilian Blowout.